Okay, welcome back. This is section 2.12, 2.12, or activity 2.12, a circuit with parallel bulbs. Okay, now right here I've got the basic setup that we've seen before. I can light up two bulbs dimly with two batteries. Now this circuit here is called in series. These bulbs are in series. It's one after another. Now what it says here is, for step 1, connect a circuit with 2D cells and 2 round bulbs, right here. Predict what you observe when you add a third bulb, as in figure 2.12b, right here. See that? The way that these two bulbs are hooked up is called parallel. Now I'm going to take this third bulb and I'm going to hook it up like this. Notice that the two leads from this third bulb are hooked up to the two separate leads on this bulb, like this. Okay? So this is a parallel connection. Now, what I'm going to do is predict what's going to happen. Are the bulbs going to be just as bright, not as bright, are some not going to work? Whatever you think might happen, and write that down as your prediction right here before you hook it up, before you complete the circuit. Then, step 2, I'm going to actually connect it. I'm going to close the circuit, and I'm going to write down what do I observe. I'll write that here. Finally, I'm going to put a compass into the circuit, as shown here, under this wire here. So again, I always like to tape down the compass to make sure that I get a reproducible motion of the needle. And I want to make sure that I tape down the wire also right over the needle so that it's aligned with the needle. Okay. There we go. So now we're gonna find out what happens when we've got this parallel arrangement, and we're going to look at the compass needle deflection. Okay, so use a compass to detect change in flow rate through bulb A when bulb C is added in the diagram at the right. So what I might want to do here actually is unhook bulb C again and just test the needle deflection in the normal circuit. All right, and then hook in bulb C again, this third bulb, and see what happens. Notice that it said flow rate here, and remember we found out that we can use the compass needle to detect the rate of flow of the current through the wire. And then once you do all this, once you hook it up like this, close the circuit, what do you observe? Write that down here. Okay? Now finally, the commentary here, what it says is overall resistance of series and parallel combinations. And so what we're going to do next is we're going to sum up what we found out here.